Batch 992, bays 2A and 2B are clear. Send the next two in.
The pile towers over the entire warehouse sector. How can this tangled, dirty, organic mountain be sterilized and cleaned to meet strict pharmaceutical cleanroom standards? Day and night, these heavy-duty machines transport the raw limestone. Here at row 14, the loaders move the multi-ton loads toward the primary crusher.
Contaminant density high, grade C.
Noted.
Batch code 884 confirmed.
The stones are washed, but they must now be ground into an ultra-fine meal. What kind of high-velocity mill?
The transformation is complete. The raw meal is now dense, uniform clinker, structurally sound for vitrification. The high-speed thermal inkjet head ensures precise tracking, applying crucial batch data onto the surface of every passing cement bag.
convoy. Maintain synchronized velocity. We are approaching the Sector 4 checkpoint in approximately 15 minutes. All green.
Keep coming back slow. Watch your left side. Stack them tight on this side. Keep the line moving. Watch your back. Careful with the Holcim.